Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you how to fix the black screen issue on any Samsung Galaxy smartwatch. Alright, so as you can see here, this is my Samsung Galaxy smartwatch. And of course, I'm only demonstrating how to go about this. It's not happening on this particular device, so I'm just showing you the basic troubleshooting tips that you can use to fix the black screen problem. So let me describe the black screen issue. Now the black screen issue happens whenever your device, such as these smart devices, their display, as the name suggests, goes black or blank. The problem is, and I'm only demonstrating, it's not really happening to this device, but of course, if you try to wake the device by tapping, it will not wake. If you press the buttons, you'll get nothing. All right. So of course, this is a normal thing that can happen, and I've seen it happen to, or experience it happen to different devices. And of course, I'm going to show you how you can fix it. All right. So the first thing you need to locate is your power button. All right. You can know it. Usually it's highlighted by red. And these devices such as this, I have two buttons. If your smartwatch is a slightly different, it still applies, even if it's a different brand. But of course, any Samsung, this will work. All right. So you can see my main power button here, and of course this secondary button here. Now of course, if the problem is happening, you might be hearing sounds from your device, meaning that if it's connected to your phone, you might hear calls coming in, you might hear beeps and all kind of stuff. All right. So when you hear this, it's an indicator that it's definitely a black screen issue, and there's nothing wrong with the display itself. All right. So to fix it, you're gonna go ahead, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna find the power button and the volume down button on your watch. All right. And what you're going to do is, don't worry, even if nothing comes on screen, do not worry about it. Simply press both, and you're going to press and hold. All right. So if nothing comes on screen, don't worry, just keep pressing. All right. Simply keep pressing. All right. And as soon as you see your first logo, as you can see here, that's my Samsung logo there. Stop holding those buttons. All right. And of course, you might have to try this a few times. All right. So do not be daunted if it doesn't work the first time. You might have to try it several times over before the device actually revives. All right. So by doing this, what you have done is to force the system to restart. All right. So in the case of black screen problems, it might be that the software had crashed, and doing that can fix it. All right. So it's key that you know how to do this, as if you do not know how to do this, you might have a brick watch, or your watch will just be useless. And of course, it can save you a lot of money instead of taking it in. All right. So when it comes back up as this one here, you should be good to go again. All right. So you may have to try this even up to 5 times. But of course, it does work. Just simply try it and be a little bit patient. If you have any direct questions, you can ask them below. Another thing that's worth trying as well is you could connect it to the charger. Of course, you might not see anything on screen, but simply connect it to the charger and then try the force reboot again. All right. So you'll have to try it several times. Try it with the charger, without the charger. So starting without the charger, then with the charger. All right. So if you try those a few times, you should get the device back up and running. All right. So you can leave your comments below, and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.